Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Just Dance. To start, simply pick your favorite gaming console or device. Then, browse through the many songs available and select one that gets you moving. You'll need to hold a motion controller or use your smartphone as one to track your movements. Your main goal is to mirror the on-screen dancer's choreography as closely as possible to earn points and have a fantastic time. The core of Just Dance involves mirroring the on-screen coach's moves with accuracy and good timing. Keep an eye out for the small pictograms that appear, as they give you a heads up on the next steps. To truly excel, aim for those perfect ratings by executing each move precisely. You can also challenge up to 5 friends or other players to see who can achieve the highest score on any given track. As you dance, the game provides instant feedback on your performance, rating your moves as good, super, or the highly sought-after perfect. Achieving perfect scores is key, as these award the maximum number of points for your precise execution. Also, watch for special gold moves, which are unique poses that, when hit correctly, give you a significant bonus to your score. The game continuously tracks your progress. To get the most out of Just Dance, dive into its various game modes, such as the energetic sweat mode, perfect for a fun workout. As you play, you will unlock exciting new songs, unique avatars, and many customization options to personalize your experience. Gather up to 6 players for an incredibly lively and competitive group dance session. Don't forget to practice those trickier routines to truly master your moves and climb the leaderboards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.